I'm going to teach you how to build a $100,000 a year in-person soccer coaching business while only working 5 hours a week. And no, this isn't utilizing online training. This is to show you how to grow your in-person soccer training program while working only 5 hours a week and being able to scale to hundreds and hundreds of athletes. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Noah Varner. I'm the CEO of the SBA. I grew my own soccer training academy to well over 6 figures and have worked with over 65 coaches in the US, in the United Kingdom, helping them grow their business utilizing ads. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So look, your problem right now is you can't scale. You're having a major issue is like you're maxed out for time. Right? Like you're coaching a ton, you're at the field a ton, and you can't grow your business. And it's extremely frustrating. It's extremely stressful. And I get it. I used to be in your exact same shoes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to get over that. And it's going to be rather simple, which is simple math. Okay, so look. So this is you right here with a sad little face. You're stuck doing one-on-ones. Maybe you're doing a couple groups, but you've got like 2 or 3 kids in a group. Like you're basically a glorified one-on-one trainer. Okay, so this is you, nice and sad, nice and sad. We don't want you to be sad. We want you to be happy. We want you to be happy. So what we're going to do to get you there is simple. So look, this is you. You're sad. You're doing one-on-one sessions. Okay, and for the rate for this, we're going to call it today. One-on-ones, you're doing $60 a session, and for groups, you're going to do $30 a session. Okay, I always like to say 2-to-1 ratio on one-on-ones to groups. Okay, so you're doing, let's say, so you only have 5 hours a week to put in. Maybe you're doing a full-time job, maybe you're club coaching, whatever, right? You can still make $100,000 a year off of 5 hours of work a week, which is incredible. And I'm going to show you exactly how. So look, you're doing one-on-one trainings where you're doing 60, 60, 60, 60. So you do 5 one-on-ones a week, making $60 a session. So that's about $300 a week. Okay. And that turns into $1,200 a month. So, I mean, not bad. You're making $1,200 with 5 hours a week of work. I mean, that's not bad, right? But we're not striving to be just not bad. We're striving to be great. We're trying to help hundreds and hundreds of athletes in our community. You're only helping 5. You're not doing anything, okay? So you're stuck here. This is where most of you guys are. So what you need to do is to become this happy, nice business owner is the next step, which is groups. Now, obviously you guys know that, and I'm gonna show you at the end of this video how to actually fill up your groups, okay? But now you have 5 hours a week. So instead of doing one-on-ones, now we do 6 players in each group, and we do 5 of those a week, okay? And I do them, 6 players at $30 a session, okay? So you make $180 per group, 180, 180, 180, 180. And this is only 30 total athletes, right? Yeah, my math is crazy. 30 total athletes, okay? So you're making 180 from each group, which is great. That's awesome. That's a dream for a lot of you guys. You still don't know how to get the athletes, which you got to be running ads, and I'll go over that in a second. But look, boom. So now you're making $900 a week, and it's about $3,600 a month from 5 hours of work a week. That's pretty damn good. That's pretty damn good, okay? Now, your problem is you're stuck here. You knew this. You already know this. I know that, okay? How you get from here to here is very simple, right? You open up the groups. That's it. You stop doing one-on-ones. That's it. You just open up the groups for your certain age, certain skill level. Pick a niche. Pick a skill level, okay? So my niche was 12 to 14-year-olds who were classic level and below, okay? So you could run a 12 to 13 beginner, 12 to 13 intermediate, then you could do like a 14 to 15 beginner, 14 to 15 intermediate, and then, say you do like you can do a 10 to 11, right? All ages, all technical class, whatever. Okay, but you open up those groups, all right? And then every single client that comes in as a lead, you filter them into those groups. Now, y'all's issue is you don't know how to get clients consistently. You're probably getting maybe 4 clients one month, 0 the next, 2 the next, and then you're barely getting any leads because you're relying on all word of mouth and referrals. You have to be using social media advertising to consistently sign at least 5 to 10 clients at a minimum. Our clients are doing 10 to 20 new clients every single month. Okay, imagine 10 new clients coming in your business. This is way more obtainable because you are filtering so many more clients into your business. Dude, you could fill, this is what, 30 kids? With the social media system I teach my clients, you could have this filled up in 3 months. 3 months, okay? But you're gonna take years to get to that because you don't know what you're doing, okay? But look, whatever. Now, you're here. You're making $3,600 a month. That's great. Noah, how do we make $100,000 though, right? Watch this. Genius, okay? So look, this is you at the top. You're nice and happy now because you're making $3,600 a month from 5 hours of work a week. You know, your time paid is $180 an hour, which is so awesome. Only problem with that is you're getting paid by the hour. You're not making money when you're sleeping, right? And you won't be able to scale. You can only go so far. You can only go so far. It doesn't matter if you're an online business. It doesn't matter if you're an in-person business. It doesn't matter, okay? You see these guys on the internet telling you, oh yeah, just go to online training. You can leverage online training to make way more money and help more athletes. It's just not true because regardless, you're still gonna have to work with athletes. Like that's it. You're still gonna have to put time to work with people. That's it. Okay, so you have to figure out a way to scale, and this is how you scale. It's so simple. So you're doing $3,600 a month, right? You have enough money to where then you could pay a coach to do the exact same thing as you. Exact same thing. Find a buddy from an old teammate. You know, find a player from a local college that wants work and that can train. It's only 5 hours of work a week. I mean, are you kidding me? So look, then you do the same thing. So now 5 hours of work a week that you're working, now you're training 60 athletes and you're making $1,800 a week and you're making $7,200 a month. Okay, which if I do the math here, I mean, that's like $87,000, $88,000 a year just from you two doing 5 hours of work a week. That's it. Okay, and it's so simple, so simple. Because as long as you have a consistent way to bring clients in, you could scale so fast. Everybody thinks finding a coach is so hard. And I know you're probably sitting across the screen like, oh, I don't want to hire a coach because they're not as good as me. Yeah, newsflash, you're never going to find somebody as good as you, ever, ever. Your brain is not going to allow you to think that they're better than you, okay? You're never going to find that. So you need to get over that hump. And if you're actually a good coach, then you can coach up another coach. You should have no problem with that. Okay, but if you're not a good coach, you're not gonna be able to do it. But you are a good coach. So you can coach up another coach to train just like you over time. So simple. And then you create a coaching system. Like for my clients, I teach them how to build a coaching system, how to find the coaches, how to hire the coaches, and how to train the coaches so they can take over like that. Okay, but you need to be able to train them. And then once that happens, guys, it's a multiplier effect. You just hire another coach and another coach and another coach, right? This is 72,000. I know I said 100,000. I can't do math for some reason. It's 87. But you can do another coach and you're well over $100,000 a year. You can get 2 more coaches. You're doing 150 and you're working 5 hours of work a week. But y'all's problem is you don't have a way to get all the clients in. And that's where social media advertising comes in. You run ads through social media. Stop trying to use word of mouth referrals. You're never going to get to this point ever using this, okay? You will sign 10 to 20 clients a month on autopilot. Autopilot. How it works is simple. You create an ad, calling out the parents, messaging the parents, right? You run the ad, and then every single parent in your area is going to see, this is your area, everybody's going to see it in here. Nobody outside of this is going to see your ad, okay? We only want people inside of our bubble in our area to see it. So we run it. Everybody in our bubble sees it, and they're seeing our training. They sign up with us. We become a lead. We get them to a call. We close them, and that's how my clients and I were signing 10 to 20 clients a month, which is ultimately going to allow you to go from here to here to here. That's where all working 5 hours a week in training 5 hours a week. That's it. It's so simple, guys. It's so simple. So look, if you want to learn this system and you want to scale to $100,000 a year while working less, then go book in a call with me right now. The call link is in the description below. Get on a call. We'll see if you're a good fit for the program. Bring your freaking credit card because let's get the ball rolling. I want to get you here with this guy nice and happy, all right? But that's everything for today's video. You guys can also message me at @TheRealNoahVarner on Instagram as well. But that's everything. Go like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys got a ton of value out of it. Go change your lives. Go do something to get to here, all right? Please. Peace.